I bought some skirts. I have a thing for see-through things. Oh my god, I'm looking at it and I don't even like it.
Hello guys! And welcome to our huge Shein haul. We spent $150 on this huge package.
Yeah, Nina always order from Timo,
Shein. I've ordered once from Shein, maybe 5 times from Timo. I've ordered so much. Woo! Gosh, hope nothing broke. Whoa, wow. These are tiny.
Of course.
It's mom's hair.
Of course.
Wow.
Okay.
Of course, the biggest thing that you can notice is
It's the hair.
it's mom's hair extensions.
So, Zoe says I should buy her things for the nails because she wants to learn how to do the nails, guys.
Yep. Wait, let me open it. This is crazy.
Oh my god.
It's a practice finger.
Yeah. It's a small thing.
It's a practice finger.
Oh my, it looks like someone who will have a, there's this sickness they have on their finger. What is it called again?
Arthritis? I don't know. Yo.
Oh my god.
So it's a practice finger and I can stick the nails.
Yeah.
Where are the nails? So I can stick the nails I ordered.
There.
You stick it in here.
We really buy everything
Everything.
for her to learn to do nails. What is this one?
Now this, it's more nail stuff. It's more practice nail stands. So when I practice my nails and I really like them, I can put them nail stands. It smells like China.
Maybe let's see. It smells like roast corn. Maybe let me see. It smells like roast corn.
I want to see these. Cool. Oh, and they come with magnets too. Okay.
Ah. Like what is that?
This is a magnetic stand. When I do my nails, I can glue them on.
Okay. Your own nail or the artificial nails?
The artificial nails. Practice. Because practice makes perfect. Have a look.
Wow. So smart.
Cover. Sorry. Boom.
Wow. And what? I don't remember anything. What is this one?
Oh, this is a mouse pad. I got like a, you know what this is? It's a fish roll.
Okay.
I got it because I don't have a mouse pad in my room, and using my mouse on my desk like that ruins my desk. So I got this one.
It looks beautiful.
It's really cute.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, this is the nail glue. I know what this is. Okay, yeah, this is
gel.
No, that's glitter.
Glitter.
Oh.
Wow. Look at this. Many.
Let me show this one.
Okay. Glitter to put on the nails.
Yeah, monochrome, super shiny.
And I hope Nina can do my nail and I can edit it and add it here. If not so, it's going to be on a, I see it now, it's leaking a little bit.
You know, yeah.
Put it in.
Yeah, there's more in here, so.
Okay. And she also bought this.
Yeah,
Say
when
Nina.
you're something for the camera, you have to look at the TV when you do it.
Okay, sorry. I ordered a pack of like 200 of these. There's more in there,
Yeah.
but these are like Q-tips. These are Q-tips, but for nails. They're like really thin, so you can like get into the crevices of your nail.
Yeah. And what is this? Let me put it on. And this is for the telephone.
Wait, I can show
This
you.
I wanted.
This is just another nail color. And then we got the squid pad things. These are the ones you stick on the back of your phone when open.
Yeah.
Mom, are you gonna have the pink or the black one?
You didn't buy any for
I
me?
love pink.
Mama's phone case is pink. It says a
We
lot.
didn't buy any for you. Next time you can come and choose what you want. We bought 2 colors.
2 colors. This
Yeah.
and then this one and then one in black.
It's a magnet. You can put it on your phone and then you just put it, stick it on the window, and then you can dance and make a video.
This is white gel polish.
Wow. I hope it's good. Buying gel polish from The internet?
from
Yeah.
China.
I'm not very sure. Nina wanted it, so we bought it. Looks beautiful.
It's really nice.
Yeah. Zoe is not very good to show things.
It looks good though.
Yeah, but I'm talking about when you show it. You didn't even give Kim enough. See? Nice. So guys, it's about time. We're gonna check time. I'm going to stand up for the rest. What is this again?
I ordered some small nail brushes
Oh wow.
so I can get really precise.
Oh my god. The quality looks so nice, guys. Look at this. Beautiful.
And look how long this is. This is, you can tell it's for French tips.
Wow.
So I ordered a bunch of different brushes. So I'm gonna have this time learning.
And this?
Those are the gems. Mama picked them.
Yeah.
Mama
For
also
the
picked-
nails?
Yeah. Mama also picked these, silver and gold.
I just wanted something very simple. And what is this carton?
You remember it's your selfie stick?
Ah,
The one that stands.
okay.
I got these French tip guide makers.
Selfie stick from Shein.
Shein.
I got
Guys.
a powder too.
The only time I've been buying things on internet is because of the hair. We Africans and the money we use on our hair is terrible. Let's see. One thing I don't like about the way they ship things, they never put enough information on it. This was supposed to be with some human hair thing. Ike-san, those
No, this wasn't the human hair.
you know, these things hanging on it are human hair. That's what me and you were looking for. This one. Yeah. Oh my god, they look
They look so
nice.
good.
Wow. Oh my god, guys.
Oh yeah, all of them are the same. These bundles were big.
Look at these.
They did a good job.
I love these.
Can you hang it against the window? The white, so I can't contrast.
Look at these, guys. Look at these. Let me put it here so you can see this one.
It's real bohemian.
It's really beautiful. I like it. Can't wait to wear it. Okay, so all of them are the same. Are you sure? It was a lot. Did you buy that much?
We ordered a bundle of like
Oh my god.
This is where half the price probably came from.
Yeah.
yeah, it was.
It was mostly the hair. And we also have this, guys.
Ooh.
I got some skirts. I have a thing for see-through things. I love them. Oh my god, I'm looking at it and I don't even like it. Because this is not what I was expecting. I thought it was more silk-like. Oh my god, oh, those people, it's so long.
Super long.
Guess you have to DIY
And it was
it.
not very cheap, isn't it, Nina? I remember, it was not very cheap.
No, this was like 100.
200.
No, 200.
Yeah.
They were like almost
Oh
100
my
each.
god, guys.
That, I mean, it doesn't look that bad though, honestly.
200 kroner, guys, not dollars.
Wow. Let me wear it so you guys can see it. Nina, you can show them their mystery thing.
Meanwhile, I ordered rhinestone glue because obviously if I'm going to glue stuff on the nails, I need some rhinestone glue. So that's what this is. It looks like a lip gloss.
Very nice.
And then I ordered, I think this is 90 pieces of nail tips.
Oh wow.
Can see it right? So yeah, these are cool. And then mystery time. So I ordered a mystery Sanrio My Melody thing, and I cannot see her face. I don't know which one I got. There were a lot. Oh, she's adorable. Oh.
Put her on the table so I can film her.
Oh.
Hello Kitty?
No, it's My Melody, but she's friends with Hello Kitty. Oh, she's so cute. Oh.
Vent.
Wow, she's adorable.
Har du mer å vise Nela?
Mama's
Selfie
stand.
stick, but
Selfie stick.
we'll show that another in a bit maybe.
Wait, I need
Meanwhile, you guys can look at the weird finger.
Okay, mom, selfie stick.
You want to unbox it?
Yeah, I want to test it with my phone.
So you bought some strange doll?
Yeah, a mystery doll. You remember it from my childhood?
Yeah.
Okay, mom's selfie stick.
Hey.
Whatever that is. Whatever this is.
The plate.
Yeah,
That looks heavy.
it's heavy. The quality is giving recycled. No offense, no shade. It's Shein? I was about to say Timu. Okay. I don't know how to maneuver this thing.
You put the ball in, then you thread the screw. Should I do it?
Yeah.
Du må komme hit og ta kamera, så jeg.
Guys, skirt number 1 with the new shoes. Where do you want to take me a picture?
No.
So guys, that was our first Shein unboxing. I tried this, I don't understand it. It looks bad, it looks good at the same time. But I think I know exactly what I'm going to wear it with. Oh, it looks nice on me now.
She was homeless.
My son said it looks like I'm coming down from heaven when I try that. Okay, show them your back as you have done it really.
I have fixed a nail kit
Yeah.
with all of my stuff. Super cool, right?
Something is missing.
Something is missing.
Something.
I forgot monomer. Monomer is a very important part of applying acrylic. So I messed up, but I have the mama. She studied nails a little bit,
Yeah.
so she has everything I need.
We have to find it. And it's many years.
But we do have the gel casting. You know the one I use, the one that becomes
Yeah,
very
yeah,
hard.
yeah.
Not the one that I use as top coat, but the other one. You know the rose pink one.
Yeah. So guys, that was our Shein stuff.
And by the way, this is also white.
Oh, okay. And then the kit I've also show you guys this. So it was a lot of hair, this, and mostly the nail stuff. That was it. Ike-san, is this good? Do you think the quality is good?
It's heavy, so it's maybe good for making personal videos where it's just pointing at you.
Yeah.
What's up, guys?
Guys.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.